Hello, welcome to practice problem 1 on color. Let's get started right away. I'm going to be doing these problems individually. List the order of colors in the color spectrum. That's going to be Roy G. Biv, and that will be because red is the longer wavelength and violet is the shorter wavelength. You're going to go from infrared to red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and go violet to ultraviolet. Next is, are black and white real colors in the sense that red and green are? Explain. Well, black is the absence of color, and white is the combination of all colors. White is all colors. Well, Roy G. Biv, anyway. What is emitted by vibrating electrons of atoms? What is actually emitted? Well, light, electromagnetic radiation, is emitted when the atoms vibrate. What happens to light of a certain frequency that encounters atoms of the same resonant frequency? Well, it's absorbed. When I shine light into glass, it resonates with the ultraviolet, therefore it's going to absorb ultraviolet. That's as simple as that. So when something resonates, it means that it can be absorbed. Why does the color of an object look different under a fluorescent lamp from the way it looks under an incandescent lamp? Well, very, very basic, very simple, and that is that incandescent light, more lower frequencies, and fluorescent light, more higher frequencies. So you have the blues and down below you have the reds and the oranges and the yellows. So what color of light does a transparent red object transmit? Red. What color does it absorb? Non-red colors. What is the function of a pigment? Pigments absorb light of different colors. Why are more and more fire engines being painted yellow-red instead of red? And that's because the yellow-green is the most dominant color from the light, and the human eye is most sensitive to yellow-green. So let's go back to another one here. We said, what colors of light does a transparent red object transmit? And we said red. Just wanted to make that sure you understood that. How can yellow be produced on a screen if only red light and green light are available? How can yellow be produced on a screen if only red and green light are available? Well, that's very basic. You overlap the red and green regions. Red and green light actually make yellow. Red and green light actually make yellow. Now, next one would be cyan. What is the name of the color produced? A mixture of green and blue light. That's cyan. What colors of spots are lit on a television tube to give full color? And that would be red, green, and blue, the three primary colors of light. And then you ask, what are complementary colors? What are complementary colors? Let's think. Complementary colors. Well, two colors, when added, produce white. So two colors, when added, produce white. Next is, what color is the complement of blue? What color is the complement of blue? Well, it would be red and green together, which would be yellow. So blue is the color, and then the corresponding color would be yellow, because red and green are both yellow. Have a great